Welcome to Tirula channel. Recently, the central government under the Department of Legal Affairs issued a notification for the appointment of central notaries in entire India. For the aspirants of notary, central notary, every candidate shall appear before the notary board. Notary board will constitute for the appointment of notary under under rule 7A of notary rules. In this, chairperson will be the law officer of the central government. He under the chairmanship of that board will conduct interviews across the country and will appoint notaries. Dear friends, how to face a interview before the notary board? I will give guidelines regarding this for the appointment of notary and with the episodes. Dear friends, before going to the what is the syllabus or what are the questions to be asked, first we must know what is notary. Notary is a person authorized under the Notaries Act to perform acts under the section 8 of the Notary Act. Section 8 of the Act prescribes the functions of notary. Functions of the notary. So, for example, administer oath, affidavit, attestations, and even according to the section 8, he can become an arbitrator, conciliator, mediator, and also even he can be a translator at the time of taking evidence. Regarding this, these are the functions of the notary. A notary is a person appointed by the Notaries Act under section 3 of the Notaries Act. Okay, before going to the notary syllabus for the notary questions for the interview board, first let us whether notary is a post, or one question may arise whether he is a gazetted officer. No, he is not a gazetted officer. It's only a profession, not a post. He cannot attest as a gazetted officer. So, he is the only authorized person to do functions under section 8 of the Notaries Act. Okay friends, notary is an authorized person to record the affidavits where in which legislations recognized to record affidavit. Even the CRPC section 297 of CRPC clearly says a notary appointed by the Notaries Act is empowered. It is an authority to affirm oath and sworn recording sworn statement from the deponents. Like that, section 139 of CPC also it clearly lays down authorizes before sworn affidavit may be sworn. Generally, what is the three authorities? There are the authorities given. One is magistrate and notary or oath officer appointed by the High Court or Court of Session, and what is notaries. Section 139 and 297 of CRPC, 139 CPC, 219 of CRPC clearly explains about a notary is a authorized person to take affirmation and declaration from the deponent. So even notary act is also mentioned in the CRPC and CPC. Dear friends, notary is a authorized person, recognized even in the CRPC and CPC. And one more topics I will explain. I will give a guidelines in the second part. Subscribe Tirula channel and encourage the Tirula channel. Like, subscribe and share.